What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a new RC to unbox that we just got today from Walmart, and it's coming up to you next on this episode.
Welcome
of
to No Pros RC.
Alright, inside the box, as you can see, we got instructions. And yes, as you can see, I did get green. This is like an emerald green. Oh, look at this. And it's a spot right up top here, so I can add more cameras. So it's like a frontal view here. I'm hoping this thing records. And then I have a back view here, or a side view. Or I could probably have cameras going all the way around for a 360. That's pretty awesome. So let's get a better view before we continue unboxing. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this would be a little bit bigger than what it is. It's a little bit small, but that's okay because I'm strapped for RC space as it is. So looking further, we have pretty decent tires here for like going off-roading. This is a four-wheel drive vehicle. The wheels do look staggered, at least on the table it looks staggered. Let's see. Oh, that's just my imagination. Anyway, got a front bumper here. I'm really loving this emerald green color, definitely digging that. You got some, I guess this is a spoiler here, rear bumper protection, that must be the motor right there. And there is your camera, 1080p. We will find that out, of course, to see how true that is. Yeah, just your basic first person view RC. Does have shocks. Give you guys a close-up of that emerald green color. It's very beautiful. You can see the metallics in it. Oh, look at that. Up close view of the rims, treads on the tires. The rear tires do look bigger than the front. They must be staggered. I don't know, is it that me or my imagination? But it's mimicking that you got four-wheel disc brakes all around. It's a pretty cool feature. Let's see what it looks like underneath. Battery goes here. You do USB charge it. Here's your on and off switch. Your alignment is right here. Yeah, just pretty simple. So let's continue with comes inside the box. You have a trigger controller, forward throttle, reverse, steering, left, right. Feels kind of wonky. Looks like speed control right here. These two buttons here are dummies. You have to unscrew the famous unscrewing to get to the battery. You also have your cover right here. You get two batteries. There's one battery, two batteries, and your USB charger. Screwdriver, which is great because I don't have to go find my 2-pin. So let's get it charged up and get a brief demonstration of what she can do. I'll go to the app store the Apple Store and download the app, and we shall go from there. Okay, so as you can see on the instructions, racing, first person view, cross country racing series, here you have the QR code for the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. I want the Apple Store, so I'm going to set my camera to scan this QR code and download the app. So let's plug this in here, like so. And I will go over to my USB charging station. Guess I can take you guys along. Red lights on. USB charger indicates she's charging, and you also have a indication right there on the USB stick itself that it's charging. So I'm going to assume once it goes green, we'll be ready to go. I think it said 3-hour charge time, so you guys won't see that, but I will. So stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're back, and with the miracle of time, the USB battery looks to be charged. I see no green light indicating that it is charged, but the red light went out on both my charger and my USB stick. So it's charged. Let's get it in the RC and see what she can do. Here we need 2 AA batteries. Let's get it. Let's turn this on. Get a little green light indicator right there. It's flashing, looking for the receiver. Turn the car on. Get a blue light right there. Green light stops flashing, meaning it's communicating with this receiver. Does turn. I'm not sure exactly what was said there, but it said something. I must say it's very smooth. It's not like, you know, real jumpy. You hit the gas a little bit, it goes slow. Basically to you know, get those smooth videos. Now the camera here, I have to look at my phone in order to see what's being recorded here. So what I'm about to do now is record from my phone screen to show you guys what this RC camera is seeing. All right, so stand by.
Video footage from the FPV RC. I can control the RC from my phone. App footage. RC cam footage. App footage.
So yeah, there you have it. Once I connected the vehicle to Wi-Fi, I was able to see everything from the camera here. And I could hear my voice through a speaker that's inside the system. And I could also control the car with my cell phone versus the transmitter. This is pretty freaking cool. And once the weather clears up, I can get a better demonstration. The smooth, I like how it's smooth and it's not very jerky. It's just real smooth, so I guess you can get stable footage. I will put this to the test soon and give you guys a real world review of how it records videos in the real world. So in the meantime, what I need you guys to do is, if you're new around here, hit that like and subscribe button, and comment below if you have one of these Racing Rev first person view RCs, and tell me how you like it. If you don't have it and would like to purchase one, I will also leave the link down in the description below. I caught this guy on sale, so hopefully it'll still be on sale once you guys acquire it if you want to. And that's going to be it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. We are so close to 8K subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And until the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.